Hello guys, welcome back. In front of me, I've got a Samsung Galaxy A27, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this. Let's begin with opening settings and scroll to find wallpaper and style. Here we've got a preview of our lock screen and home screen. Tap on change wallpapers and you'll be taken to the full list of available wallpapers to choose from. Here we've got the featured ones. You can also enter your own gallery. If you've downloaded something or taken a photo, you can apply it as your wallpaper. There are more albums available. You can also tap Get More Wallpapers to choose from Galaxy themes, but you need to be logged in. After finding the wallpaper, tap on it and decide where to apply it, lock screen, home screen, or both. I'll choose both and tap Next. After loading, you can frame it differently, change the shape, or adjust the color. You can also tap Effect and change the color or apply an effect like blur to the whole wallpaper. I'll pick this option with grayish tones. If you're happy with the result, tap Apply in the upper right corner and then Done. Now the wallpaper has been applied successfully. That will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit subscribe and leave a thumbs up.